Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a limited edition Easter beauty egg and it is from Glossybox. It contains 5 products, 5 of which are full size. It costs £50. It has a value of £210. But if you are a subscriber to the Glossybox monthly beauty box, then you can get it for £41. If you're interested in this beauty egg for yourself, then as always, you'll find it listed down below in my description. And down there, you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside the beauty egg. Opens up like this. Give you a bit of a sneak peek. Let's get out the most expensive item first. And we've got Rodial, and this is 6% vitamin C complex, beta carotene, babassu oil, vitamin B5. There's 30 mils here, and these are the vitamin C drops. A high performance formula contains a vitamin C complex that boosts skin's radiance and luminosity for a more even looking skin tone. You apply 2 to 3 drops onto your skin before you apply any other serums and moisturizers to your skin. So it's nourishing, full of antioxidants, and brightens and boosts skin's radiance. So we got vitamin C drops there by Rodial. We've got a dry shampoo by Archive. This is the Reset Dry Shampoo. There's 200 mils here, and this is worth over £14. I'm not going to tell you about it. Our ultrafine dry shampoo cleanses and refreshes hair instantly with modified starch to absorb excess sebum and baobab oil to soften the scalp. Don't be scared, this is just to make sure your scalp stays nourished. This is the ultimate deep cleansing wonder for when your hair needs a refresh. It says smells like no one else see. Whoa, okay. Yeah, it smells gorgeous. It does smell really nice. I think I've already got one of these. I'm trying to steer away from using dry shampoo on myself at the moment because I need to wash my hair frequently because I've got androgenic alopecia, so I'm constantly putting minoxidil and stuff on my scalp, and anything like this is not that great. This is for me personally though. So yeah, I like that, but I'm sure I've already got one, so if I do, then I'll pass that on. What have we got here? Oh wow. This is a hydrating setting mist by the Beauty Crop. This is Cherie Mini Fix. And yeah, it's a hydrating setting mist. And this retails for £8. This ultra fine dual phase mist gives your skin an instant boost of hydration and helps lock in and refresh your makeup look. The lightweight formula leaves the complexion with a glowing, long-lasting freshness throughout the day. I love mists. I don't think I've tried this one. I don't think so anyway. I'll just have a try. Am I supposed to shake it? Yeah. There it's all shaken together. It contains cherry extract, hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Let's try the spray first, see how powerful it is. Oh, it's all right actually. Some of them are like really full on, aren't they? And I don't want to wreck my makeup. No, this is really fine. Really, really fine to the point I can't feel it. Just a very slight. Oh yeah, I can feel it just very, very slightly. That's so nice. I do really like that. Let's put a load on then. It feels really nice. It smells nice as well. So with Cherie Hydrating Setting Mist by the Beauty Crop. Then we got a product by Act. This is the body wash concentrate, full of prebiotics, squalene and vitamin E. And this is the onsen. So Vetiver, Yuzu and lavender. And there's 100 mils here. I have only ever seen or tried the deodorant balms. I love the packaging. It's exactly like their deodorant balms. I know this is a body wash, but I want to smell it. Am I being silly here? What am I doing wrong? I can't. There's nothing to poke the top there. Oh, it is soft. Maybe I just need something. Hold on. Okay, not ideal. There. Just use a pen top. I just want to sniff it. Oh, look. It's really thick. Oh, it's nice. It's nice and fresh. You definitely smell like lavender, but it smells like lemons as well. Oh, that is lovely. Step onto the stage, whatever that may be, and perform. Prepare, protect and enrich the delicate microbiome. Yeah, I really like that. And it's nice to try something else from this brand. So the body wash concentrate. Did I tell you that it is worth £26? I think I did. But there you go. What else? Oh, I've got a little leaflet in there. Enjoy 30% off ARCed products on their website if you use code GLOSSY30. Just noticed there's a QR code in here, so if you were to scan that, that'll give you extra information about the products. Right, next up, one of my favourite skincare brands, Medicate. I love this, absolutely love this. This is the Crystal Retinol 3. It's stable retinol night serum, 30 mils there, and this retails for £49. So this is quite a mild one. So if you haven't tried this before, the number 3 will be all right, really, I think. I'm on number 10. The prices do go up the higher they are, so I'm very, very grateful when I've got them in beauty boxes or advent calendars. Rediscover youthful looking skin with Crystal Retinol 3, fortified with 0.0% encapsulated retinaldehyde, an advanced alternative to retinol. This overnight vitamin A serum cream helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while promoting a visibly smooth, clarified and radiant complexion. I'll keep that as a backup. We've got 2 items left. We've got Sol de Janeiro. This is Delícia Drench Body Butter, Charosa 59. And it says that this is worth £10. That's quite pricey. I wonder if that's a mistake. Mind you, I know Sol de Janeiro is not, it's not a budget brand, but £10 for a little one. I don't know. I've never actually gone out and bought one because I've always tend to get them in beauty boxes. This one is lovely though. This one's really nice. This is a prebiotic, hibiscus and Brazilian soothing complex. Oh, I can never open the little ones. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, there you go. I have done. Just about. What is wrong with me? I can't do this. No, I just pulled the little thing off. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't show you. It's a body butter. It feels nice on the skin. It's nice and thick and creamy, but yeah, it has a gorgeous scent as well. And then lastly, we've got Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a brow powder duo. Have we got it in a particular shade, soft brown, and this costs £24. So there's 2. Ooh, sorry, flashing lights there. So you've got a mirror. There's the colours there. And let's give you a bit of a swatch. It's a nice sort of neutral shade. I think the lighter one would be nice for me. The lighter one would suit me more, I think. But yeah, if you love powders, if you like filling in your brows, then you might like this one. And those are all the products in the Glossybox Beauty Easter egg. We've got a dry shampoo. We've got Crystal Retinol 3 serum. We've got a body wash concentrate. We've got vitamin C drops. We've got a hydrating setting mist. We've got a body butter and a brow powder duo. The cost of the egg is £50, but if you are a subscriber, you can get it for £41 and it has a value of £210. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Do you think it's a good one this year? I can't remember, as always, how it compares to last year's. I'm really sorry. I wish I had a better memory. Hope you enjoy watching and let me know your thoughts. Take care. Bye.